इसीलिए बोलते हैं भैया सुना करो।
Yeah, I will do so.
किसी भी कॉन्वर्सेशन में, दिस इज फॉर एवरीबॉडी, वी डोंट लिसन देन वी हैव अ प्रॉब्लम। Lovely bird songs to say good morning to us this morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, everybody, and a very warm welcome once again to Empowering Morning Conversations. So today, even the birds are saying good morning to us.
Yes.
And a very warm welcome to you, Abhinav. Despite your feeling not very well, you're still with us on the call. So that's brave of you. And I hope that will cheer you up and make you feel good.
Thank you. Thank you. It's raining heavily here.
Oh, at least it will become less cold. Kuldeep ji, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So here we are on another morning conversation. It's interesting, you know, that when we have a group of people on morning conversations, do you know how many members are there in that group? Vetrivel?
Yes,
How many members are there on that group?
12 members.
No, now there are 12 members. In the group, I'm saying.
I think
Start
100,
listening.
100 something.
Yeah,
150.
interesting. Very interesting.
So 177.
177. Interesting. So one more step forward for us, 269. Wow. So today we have one Patla Lingam, that is,
Chojita.
all right, Patla Lingam. Where is that one coming from?
So Chitra.
Yeah, exactly. So today morning, you know, I was looking at what are the various things that we could possibly do on this conversation. All right. So I'm going to give you an assignment, and this requires you to have a notebook and a pencil with you right now. Okay. And you have to do some writing work. Now, would you agree with me if I said that we are habit-driven human beings?
Yes, sir.
And we are slaves of our habit?
Yes.
And more than 90% of what we do every day is habitual, you know.
True.
So if you look at what we normally do, we're not talking about good habits or bad habits right now. Some habits are good and some are not so useful. Let me put it this way. All right. But when everything is out of habit, what happens when something different happens? When your habits are not able to deal, or when your habits are not formed to deal with a particular event or a situation, what happens to you when such a situation takes place?
It looks strange initially.
Yeah, it looks strange. So what do? What happens to you means what? Hindi
You
mein
panicked.
what happens to you का translation करो जरा.
झटका लगेगा.
नहीं, मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ what happens to you उसको हिंदी में बोलो. What happens to you को हिंदी में बोलो.
तुमको क्या होता है?
आप क्या महसूस करते हो?
क्या?
अंदर क्या हो रहा है?
उसको बोलने दो.
आप क्या महसूस करोगे?
नहीं, I did not say what are you experiencing. You understand?
आपको
You're listening.
आपको क्या लगेगा?
नहीं. How will you feel? नहीं मैंने बोला. What happens to you? आपको क्या होता है?
आपको क्या, हाँ, आपके साथ क्या होता है?
आप क्या होता है, क्या होता है मीन्स आप क्या करते हो, क्या होता है when something unusual happens. What is unusual?
अनहोनी जो वो होता है वो हो जाता है।
Exactly, but unusual हम किस चीज को बोलते हैं? What do we call as unusual?
जो रेगुलर नहीं
Accidental
होता
things.
है।
Which never happens regularly.
अचानक
right?
हो जाता है, ठीक है?
Right. So anything which is happening regularly, you have a habitual way of dealing with it, correct?
Right, right.
You know how to deal with it because it's a habit you have formed. Okay, if this happens, tuck, you will do that. But when something unusual happens, जो normally नहीं होता है, then what happens to you?
Get upset.
अचानक रुक जाता है,
What happens?
रुक जाता है अचानक।
रुक जाता है means you are not taking any, you get paralyzed, you don't take any action, you don't know what to do, ऐसा कुछ होता है ना?
हाँ, immediately ऐसा होता है, फिर बाद में
Then you will be thinking, okay, I don't have presence of mind or something like that. ठीक है? When something comes unexpectedly, okay? Now, two things can happen in life that you can make your life so safe, nothing unexpected can happen. So how do we make our life so safe that nothing unexpected happens? How do you do that? Puneet? People do that, no?
So by
they do
dropping
that, but thinking
by-
nothing will happen, but something will definitely happen.
Hello,
at any
hello, why
time.
are you
That is
answering
called
now?
accident.
Suresh Kumar, I am requesting everybody to start listening. I asked a question to Kunen and you are answering. That means you are not listening. Kunen Saab, did you hear my question?
No, sir.
Okay, so what was the question I asked? Vetrivel, please tell Kunen what was the question I asked.
I also missed it, sir.
Exactly. What do you think I'm doing? I'm checking how much you guys listen. You heard what I said. There was a question I asked. What was that? Yeah, so if you have heard that, Suchitra?
So your question was that how do we make ourselves completely safe?
Yeah, that nothing unusual should happen.
Yeah. Yeah. So my answer to that is that by,
No, 1 minute. I did not ask an answer from you.
okay, sir.
Just
Yeah.
told you to tell the question to Kunen so that he can answer it.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
See, this is what is called following a conversation. When you guys don't listen, you cannot have a conversation. Yes, Kunen sir.
Can you repeat question, Sujitra ji?
He was asked to tell that only for you and you still didn't listen. Wow.
I want to
Janab.
reconfirm that.
Acha,
Sujitra ji,
yes.
So how do you make yourself completely safe so that nothing unusual happens in life?
Yeah, a lot of people do that, you know. So that life is very predictable. So what do we do?
I don't know, but I can surrender myself to my God Almighty to take care of myself.
No, that's all right. That's a very nice adhyatmic answer. I definitely appreciate your wisdom, you know. But if you want to serve us, you know, if your attention is on giving and not on getting, how would you answer that question? Because people do that. You must have seen it. You're an experienced man, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
how do people do that? Maybe you don't do that.
So from that perspective, I will have complete clarity of my vision and the goal with the strategy and all the risk mitigation plans and all such as stuffs to anticipate what might go wrong so that I can take up of action 1, if not action 2, action 3. So,
Okay, so that's one of the ways you can, if you can put it in English rather than manageries, it will be easier for people. Risk mitigation plan, blah, blah, blah. थोड़ा सिंपल भाषा में बता दो भाई, आम नागरिक को भी समझ में आ जाए, मैनेजर्स को समझ में आ जाएगी आपकी बात.
I think
सरल भाषा में बता दीजिए.
think you can simplify in the best way. sir.
नहीं नहीं आप भी करेंगे आज आपका दिन है
मैं बकरा बन गया आज, हे भगवान बचा ले।
अरे नहीं बाबा एक देखो क्या इंटरप्रिटेशन है This is called interpretation, what you're doing just now. See, what do any normal guy, right? Now, since you have been trained in management and all that, you're using good words to describe it. But hum log, what do we normally do to make sure that nothing unusual happens? A normal person, what does he do? He will not go to a place where he is not familiar. ऐसी जगह में नहीं जाएगा जहां से उससे परिचित नहीं है. He will not go there. He will not meet with people he is not familiar with. He will try to avoid situations where he has no earlier experience.
In simple words, sir, we don't take action or do something which I can't handle if I think like that. So anything, if I think I can't handle, I avoid, I don't do, so that I be safe.
What are the things that a person will think that he cannot handle?
It's very subjective, could be many things.
Let's see which ones. For example, anything that he is not familiar with, he is likely to think I cannot handle it.
Right, sir.
Right? For example, somebody has never ridden on a bike before. Right? And somebody says, hello, why don't you learn it? And he is hesitating to do that because he's not familiar with it. Right? Or let us say somebody who has ridden a bike maybe 50 years ago. He knows how to ride a bike. But you give him a bike and he'll probably, he'll say, acha, dekhte hain, some hesitation will come. Where is it coming from? Because he's lost the habit of doing so. So when we are so habit driven means we have made our life into habit, good habit, bad habit, whatever it might be. For every situation that I have been dealing with on a regular basis, I'm familiar with it. I have my familiar ways of dealing with it. Correct? Familiar way of dealing is what? The normal way how you deal with anything. ठीक है ना, उसकी आदत पड़ गई है. So easily हो जाता है. Anything which is not usual, anything that is not familiar, ठीक है ना, people have a tendency to avoid that. Now brain number 3, that is a logical mind, says कि look, if a man wants, he can do anything. नहीं आता है तो क्या हो गया, सीख लेंगे, we will learn it. That is what this brain is. But what is the brain number 1 and 2 saying? When you come across something unfamiliar, what is brain number 1 and 2 saying, Kunen?
Run away, you can't do it.
Avoid it.
Yeah.
Because you're feeling uncomfortable. So that's one of the things that is a habit that we have. That when we are uncomfortable, we tend to avoid it. That's a normal habit of most people. Now, I know some people who have made a habit out of this, that if you are uncomfortable, definitely do it. वो उन्होंने आदत डाली है.
So it's comfortable with uncomfortable.
So they want to challenge that discomfort because they know that it will make them expand their boundaries. In your management language, we call it taking on stretch goals. Right. Something which makes you stretch outside of your mental, physical, and emotional boundaries. Right? So even though our habits may be our friend sometimes, habits also are not a friend. Why? Because if more than 90% of the time, what I do is out of habit, then it is called an auto mode or a default mode. क्योंकि बिना सोचे होता है वो. You see, when there is a habit-driven action that you do, Kunen, can you write that question for Ashok ji in the chat box? The question which I asked you.
I will do it now. So, Chitra, help me.
You don't trust yourself today?
I'm just kidding, sir.
ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या हो जाएगा? गलत हो जाएगा, मैं टोक दूंगा तो क्या हो गया? Wait. Yeah, Sagar.
Sir, I have the habit of getting very lazy, sir. I find no any motivation, and I really find no any motivation. I don't know. I have lack of respect for me. That's why I feel lazy. I can do so many things, but still I feel, oh, chalega. It will be like this only. Chalega, ye to ho jayega.
To tell you on a lighter note,
Yes, sir.
you better find yourself a moti. Don't get up in the morning, she will threaten to come and sit on your face, you know.
Yes, sir. Yes.
फटाफट उठ जा।
I tried that one also, sir, but it may last for 2 months.
Okay, now
It may
listen.
last for
Hello,
1
sweetheart.
month.
Acharya Saab,
Yes, sir.
I appreciate your question,
Yes.
but I want you to stay in the conversation.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You
I
stay in
want.
the conversation by listening to what we are saying.
Yes, sir.
Suddenly you started thinking about your habits, right? Today's topic is not how to handle your habits.
Yes, sir.
The topic so far where we are going is that everything we have made into a habit, and then we try to stay in those activities which our habits are able to deal with,
Right, sir.
right?
Right.
तो आप उसी दायरे में रहते हो जो आपकी आदतें हैंडल कर सकती है. That's what
Right, sir.
we're discussing so far. All right.
Yes.
So when you try to come out of the habitual action, it is uncomfortable. So if
For
you
sure.
do
It
something
will
which
be
is
uncomfortable. Yeah.
your mind will avoid it because you are feeling uncomfortable. Why are you feeling uncomfortable? Because you don't have a habit to deal with it. So that is what we're discussing. Now my question is, if more than 90% of the time,
Yes, sir.
if more than 90% of the time, you are doing things out of habit, okay?
Yes.
All those things are done without thinking. You don't need to think, na?
I don't need to think. Just automatic.
हाँ, जब आप सारा टाइम ऑटोमेटिक एक्शन करते रहोगे तो कौन सी कैपेसिटी आपकी खत्म हो जाएगी? What ability of yours will you lose?
Thinking, sir.
Exactly. So you will have developed a habit of not thinking.
Right, sir.
And anything that requires you to think, what will you do?
I will obey it or हो जाएगा ऐसे ही है, like that. I just procrastinate.
You will avoid to do it. That's
Yes,
what you
sir. Yeah. Yes.
right? Because now you are confronted with something which your habits are not able to deal with. So you have to think, कि अभी क्या करने का है? So we will avoid that thinking because that is uncomfortable.
Yes,
Because
sir.
we've got habituated to live our life in an auto mode, default mode. Default mode is one where your habits are just running you.
Yes, sir.
See, Reddy Garu, remember the Bekimex that we were talking about? The autopilot that we have? That is the sum total of all the habits that we have formed, where without thinking, we can just keep doing what we are doing. So we are on an autopilot, the autopilot of our habits. So when something unusual happens, so there are habits, even thinking is our habit. The way we think is a habit.
Right, sir.
I say something, like for example, I talked about habit, right? Then Mr. Sagar Acharya started thinking about his habits and he was not listening to the rest of the conversation which was going on because now he's thinking about his habit. In the morning when I was talking a certain subject, Kunayan wanted so much to make this point that, you know, first intention comes and then attention comes. And I was giving him an answer. He wasn't even listening to my answer, thinking that I am not agreeing with this answer. See,
Okay.
this is what happens when we are. So that's the reason we need to look at our habits very carefully, right? And I urge you, my friends, that if you want to shift your attention from getting to getting से ध्यान निकाल के giving में डालना चाहिए. And क्यों डालना चाहिए? That also I had done one session with you. I hope you remember that, right? Kunal ji,
Yes, sir, I
you
remember.
remember that? Why we should be putting our attention from getting to giving? That is the session, I'll remind you, where I was reading from some of my auto writing. You know, that cycle of giving. You remember that?
Yes, sir.
So now, if we have to make a shift in our life, then some of the habits, couple of habits we'll have to change, right? One, there is a presupposition we may have to shift. So what is that presupposition we will have to shift? If you want to, the secret of having abundance in life is to shift your attention from getting to giving. Okay. And what are the things that a person can give?
His knowledge, many things.
Okay, say some things.
His
Yes,
thoughts
sir.
and ideas, sir.
Ideas, knowledge,
Okay, and compassion,
passion,
then respect, love,
love,
Time.
time, advice, if asked for, and
Money.
money.
yeah, that is the first thing we generally think, अरे पैसे देने पड़ेंगे या कुछ मांग लेगा हमसे. मतलब हमारी तो ना वो रहती है, इसको क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में मालूम है ना कुने? समथिंग टी रहती है, कागज को फाड़ते हैं ना, कि कुछ मांग ना ले मेरे से. When my
फटी
late,
हुई रहती है सर,
when my
फटी
late
हुई
wife
रहती है.
when my late wife was diagnosed with cancer, stage 3, I mean, so many of the people just ran away from me, you know. फोन ही नहीं उठाते थे. They must be worried कि पता नहीं कुछ मांग ना ले, should not ask anything. So what is one presupposition you will have to shift?
That I do have enough in abundance. Even though I give everything, I can get it back.
That's one. Okay, beautiful. What else?
If we give, it will get depleted.
That presupposition you will have to give up, right?
Yes, sir.
So that I'm infinitely more powerful than I think I am.
That's a presupposition you can make. I'm asking you which presuppositions you will have to give up.
Yes, sir. So that the act of giving depletes me is something, and I'm going to get hurt when I give. or-
Yeah, all those we'll have to give up, right?
Yes, yes.
I am enough to give.
That is a presupposition you can keep. I'm asking you which are the presuppositions you must give up. If you want to be a giver, what are the presuppositions you have to give up? You know?
So that there's going to be like a betrayal down the line, and the value of the gift might not be understood or honored. All that, sir.
Yeah, all those have to be given up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will get hurt, or I will be judged or misused. Also there.
Yeah, so many things are connected to the act of giving, right? And giving is not only giving money and giving things. I can give support. I can give the gift of my listening. I can give the gift of my empathy, right? I can, and there's something which I do oftentimes. If I don't know how to help you, I'll find out someone who who can, I will connect you. Like even Abhinav does the same thing. He will always find a way to help somebody. Yes, Abhinav.
I think I will have to give up कि मेरी life में कुछ चाहिए मुझको. My life is incomplete. I have to give that up.
Okay. Why you have to give that up?
See, because as long as I'm dealing with कि मेरी life में my life is incomplete, तब तक ना I will be more like in the taking mode कि मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे वो मिल जाए, मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे वो मिल जाए. The moment I say my life is complete, and then my giving will will start.
Also, you could replace that with that presupposition is that I don't have enough with me.
Yeah.
So I'm saying that I can always get whatever I want.
Okay. Got it.
वो तो मिल ही जाएगा.
Correct.
This is something I can tell you. You can try it on. See, it's all about beliefs. Whatever you believe, you'll make it happen in your life.
Okay.
Okay, so coming back, now let us shift our focus to what will be the new habits that I would inculcate, okay, that would allow me to be in service in whatever I do. Job ko bhi bolte hain na, I'm in service. Interesting, right? Somebody asks you, what do you do? You'll say, I'm in business, or you'll say, I'm in service. Actually, even if you're doing business, you are in service only. If you're doing a job, you are in service. So who are you serving? As a family man, you are in service. As a father, you are in service. As a husband, you are in service. As a wife, you are in service. Have you ever considered the possibility that the only purpose of your existence is to be of service? Otherwise, you're a parasite. So what is the definition of a parasite?
One which sucks from the other person. One which starts taking all resources from the other person.
And gives nothing in return. So what is a symbiotic relationship? Yes, Gautamji.
Yes, symbiotic is a biological term where it shows that is when two organisms, they stay together and they contribute each other also.
Exactly. They are both contributing to each other. Both are serving one another.
Yes.
So each is enhanced by the other and there is a joint thriving.
Exactly. So when the only purpose of your existing is to be serving, if you don't serve, then what are you? You're a parasite. And if you serve, what are you? A symbiote who gives. So now, let's come back to the topic of habits. I hope you got your paper and pencil ready with you.
Yes.
So what is a habit? Habit is the things that you do repeatedly, the same thing over and over again. Correct? Now we have habits about everything. Now check your habits and see how many of the habits are directed for your own self-comfort or self-gain or whatever. How many habits that you have that are going to make you a better server?
Oh.
What are the habits that you have which will make you serve people? Because in any case, you are doing service only. If you don't know that, it's too bad. So what are the giver habits and the taker habits?
Listening is one habit, sir.
This is a giver habit or a taker habit?
Giver habit.
Beautiful. So just write it down. Which are the habits? Take a list of your habits and then you can classify them.
Yes, sir. I mean, when I'm listening, that habit, I mean, when I have that habit.
I don't want you to say it. I said write it down. Once you've written down all your habits, then we will ask you to classify which one is a giving habit and which one is a... Yeah, so just wait for a bit. Write it down first.
Fine. I do that.
Thank you. Just mute yourself, please. Somebody's microphone is unmuted. Samina ji, welcome back. You back after many days. We do not know who this hypnotize is.
Yes, sir. Good morning and good morning, everyone. I just came last morning and I was late, so I couldn't on this. So I said I'll join today.
Okay, good. Nice to have you with us.
Same here.
Sir, habit that serve people and habit that you take.
The habit
Second-
which is only for yourself.
Okay.
See, when you have a habit of brushing your teeth, right?
Yes, sir.
That's for yourself, right? So
Yes,
that
sir.
teeth are clean. You have a bath, that's for yourself, right?
Right.
So right now we are not saying that this is good or this is bad or something. We are just saying which are the habits which are made to serve you and make you comfortable, and which are the habits you might have that are there which helps you to serve people.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Rama is not there today, Vetri.
Sir, I'm there. I'm listening. I'm coming into the video a little later.
Yeah, but I don't even see a black screen.
Must be there somewhere lost.
I found you. Today is Friday. You must have gone to your daughter's school today.
Now all the schools are closed, sir.
Yeah, I know. Things are getting worse. We've got 19,000 something cases in Mumbai yesterday. All right, done everybody? So what have you found out? You don't have to give me a list of your habits. Just tell me what you found out. Most of your habits are meant for what purpose?
Takers is more, givers is less, sir.
Anna?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now,
More serve us than to serve others.
yeah, now I want to give you another divergent point of view. If you are first not able to serve yourself, how will you serve others? If you can't look after yourself, how will you look after others? So prime directive is you have to look after yourself, Baba.
Okay.
Because if you are not there, how will you serve anybody? So there's nothing wrong with serving yourself, by the way. If I don't look after my health, how can I come and look after you?
Okay.
Yeah. So you are your very important resource. So I'm not at all suggesting you don't neglect yourself. Right? You cannot neglect yourself because you are a very important resource for your family and for your organization. So if you want to serve people well, you better look after yourself. That's why my wife keeps getting angry with me that if you don't lose weight, you'll fall sick. Then how will you look after the family. Very right. Right? So that's good. And you need to be serving other people in your life also. So now, having done that exercise, can you switch off your brain for 5 minutes? Take a long deep breath, let go and relax. Take another long deep breath, let go and relax. You remember that candle blowing exercise that we do?
Yes.
Good. So now you'll all imagine that there is this magic candle in front of you. And you blow it off, it comes back on again. And when I say 1, 2, 3, you have to blow off that candle with 100% power and energy. Ready? Start. Full power, full power, full power. Come on, harder, faster. Come on, Neeti, give it your 100%. More power. You're not exerting. Come on, give it your 100%. Krishna Prasad, you are not whistling. You are supposed to blow, not like that. Like that. Full power. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, relax. Close your eyes. Now, without talking, open your notebook and write down 10 things that you will do differently. Yeah? For 5 things are related to your personal life, society and all that. 5 things you can write down as far as your work is concerned. 5 things that you will do differently. Different from your habitual way of doing things. So please write that down. Everyone, 10 things you have to write down that you'll do differently. 5 can be of personal life and 5 will be official that you will do differently. First, you write down 10 things. So, Suresh, you want to ask for some clarification? Go ahead. Suresh, you have a question? Please unmute and ask. All right, everybody, is that done? 5 things that you'll do differently. starting today. So Suresh, you had your hand raised. Is it something you want to say or ask? Does he do? Yes, Gautam.
Yes, what I have noticed today that are differently. That is a situation we are discussing. That is a present situation is very not very helpful. So we should keep touch with our neighbor, and especially the older people. Talk to them over mobile, of course. The major people are suffering.
What are the 5 things, 10 things you will do differently?
Take action. I will take action immediately. Then I implement the job, whatever entrusted to me. I'm going to keep my word.
Now, right, see, things I'm saying do differently from what you're doing now. So the good things you continue to do, right? Even the good things you can do in a different way or a better way. Write down specific things that you will do differently. Today you are doing something which is fine. What else will you do? Or what better can you do? That is what I'm asking you to do right now. So this is a good point which you just told, Gautam, that elderly people you should. Yesterday we had gone for a meeting. A very interesting thing came out in that meeting, They said, people adopt children. So people should adopt elderly people, those who are alone. So that was a very interesting point of view. And today Gautam is saying something similar also. That's interesting. So everybody, have you got 10 things that you will do differently? Yes, no? Now really look at them. And I hope you write down, listen intently to what is being said. That's a habit we need to have. Like be in a conversation by listening to what everybody is saying. Otherwise, you will not be in the conversation. Okay, so can I listen to some people now? Ventrivel, you have written down 10 things?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, would you like to share with us?
Yes, sir. Personal friend, I listed in such a way that which I haven't done, which I want to do.
Which I'm going
to do, sorry. First thing is I have to start my meditation every day for a certain time. It's been prolonging for a long time. And increasing the intensity of the exercise. It's on a compromising modes here and there, but it should be like strict kind of exercise. And watching the share market, which I have been wishing and never touching my hand. Share market, what all the things are happening. Fourth one is I'm going to create a video of my public speaking or whatever be the content. I'm planning to do it. And I'm going to write one post every day. I'm planning to write something. Official friend, I'm going to buy some SaaS service and going to do email marketing, which I'm doing it in a very traditional way. I'm going to implement the email marketing through the software based. I'm just going to buy that and trying to do that. And official friend, I'm going to focus on reaching other territories like other countries using the LinkedIn and other stuff. Now I'm only focusing on UAE. And third thing is intently applying the new jobs, big jobs, some with big good companies. And obviously, I will make strict sales calls, at least minimum 10 to 25. And listening intently.
Okay, very good.
Thank you, sir.
So these are the 10 things you'll do differently. Okay, who else?
For me, sir, if I may.
Yes, sir.
There are so many things, just wanted to share a few. Though I do have my daily plan, but I'll do the planning now with either half an hour or 1 hour time box, written plan every day. I have very vague plan for the day, but now I'll make sure that I have time boxed plan for the full day.
Yeah, specific actions in each box.
Yeah. And I'll make sure that I'll make a call to at least one person with whom I am not in contact since a couple of months, just by asking that, how can I serve him if he needs any help or anything.
Very good, very good. That's a good one.
And also I have a habit of, when I sit to eat with family, I have a habit of, getting excited and eating more. So I will make it sure that I'll follow the practice of our prophet. He used to say that divide your stomach into 3 parts, 1 for food, 1 for water, 1 for air. So I will start practicing this deliberately by reminding myself that you have to do this. And then every day I'll have at least 2 or 3 intentions of the day. What exactly I am going to do, the intention. Also, I'm going to do more frequent attention exercise. Normally I do, sometimes I miss it, but I will increase the intensity or frequency of the attention exercise. And also I will use more the loops, what you had given another thing, I'll be more extra careful about the self-talk, so that I can be aware of the thoughts. I have the habit of thinking something in a certain way. So I'll improve with the extra attention of
small interruption here.
Yes, sir.
You do this especially when you're listening to someone. Listen to someone, don't listen to your self-talk at that time. See, what happens is many times now somebody says something and you are processing it in your mind. Kacha, this is what he's trying. So that after that 4 or 5 sentences you will miss. So when you're listening to someone, you can stop that flow for some time. Your, self-talk. Yeah, please carry on.
And also I have to develop I'll be doing more, I'll have the more curious approach of to whomsoever I do interact throughout the day. I'll be more curious to feel that how can I help him instead of being in the state of just I am like that. So these are some of the habits I'll work on, sir.
Beautiful. Thank you very much. So let's have one more person. Let's have Rama.
Suchitra raised her hand.
Okay. After you, Rama. Suchitra, just let Rama finish and then your turn after that, and then Suresh. Every time I tell Suresh to talk, he goes out of the call only. So just wait, Suresh.
Right,
and, yeah, go, Rama.
Yeah, 5 personal things which I would like to change. Get up early in the morning. That is because of sleeping late. And also reduce the time on online, many things. So these 2 things. Plus regularly walking or exercise and meditation. That is the 3rd thing. And completing long pending works, which are really not completed. That is something I want to complete it. I used to read books, but recently I have not been reading much. So I would like to read one book per week from this week onwards. So that's about personal things. The professional things, I would like to launch new programs which will be useful for the people, which I'm going to launch this month in addition to Access Bars.
Yeah, tell them now what is the program. A lot of people will be interested in that.
Okay, so the program which I'm going to launch middle of this month is financial freedom. Enter into financial freedom. Basically the basics of finance. So that's what I'm going to launch. So the basically financial freedom is nothing but taking responsibility for the finance. And I will explain exactly how to do it in a very simple and basic manner. So then whatever else I can contribute, I'll do that. For example, yesterday I started teaching one 10-year-old kid on mathematics. He wanted to learn mathematics. So I'm teaching that kid. So like that, whatever I can contribute, I would like to continue to do more and more. So whenever I get into any new investment, I just jump in without reviewing the risk and returns. So that is something I would like to review all the existing ones as well as new ones. Also, my IT consulting work has been in the back burner and not much is happening. So I would like to revive that and start handling more projects.
Beautiful.
Right.
Okay, now Suchitra, and then we will have Suresh after that. First, Suchitra.
Yeah, I have no difference between personal and professional, so it's all the same to me. So I'm going to lay down my point. So one of them is just to eat less of the so-called normal food and experiment with other food, which is my area of interest. And one is to suspend emotional tantruming. That's one. Then just I give away goodness and good insights at every opportunity that I sense. Then it is to stick by the underdog or the scapegoat in any situation and to not abandon them, and connect with somebody, people that I find like who are ultra lonely or weird or somebody is people like that. And then smile, crack jokes, put people at ease, and never close the door on anybody internally. That's one. And do jobs that other people seem to be hesitating to do. Not wait for them to lead the way. And like allow for life diversity, sir, that people come in very different ways and they can have totally divergent views from what I have. So to make real allowance for that. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yes, Suresh Kumar.
Yes, sir.
After that.
This is listening to the other. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Listening in the other direction of the people when conversation is going on.
Have you written down 10 things you'll do differently?
That is one thing. And take care of weaker section in my circles. Yes, sir, I have written down. I will take a snap and send it. Wait before responding in any conversation. I mean, think twice. And be with my advisors, I mean, my next circle in business, and be available for people, those who are looking for my attention. Many people keep calling, and sometimes I, avoid also. So I want to stop that. And medication properly, and lethargy I have to leave. And I have to read books about management and about life. And one more thing, I want to write a book about myself and the people, those who are involved in my life.
Very good.
And lose weight, anger, ego, as much as I can.
Wonderful.
And increase the social circle. Increase the social circle.
Very nice. Thank you very much. Yes, Sagar.
Thank you.
Yeah, yes, sir. 5 things you do differently, personal and official. So personal and official, I will keep my words first. In personal and official, I will first keep my words. Self-respect. Self-respect means I will expenses on my own, not borrowed for my parents. I will try to do as much I can and through my own, earning money on my own. And then discipline. I think discipline is much needed in my life. Like early in the bed and waking early in the morning. And regularity. One day I do, first day I do, and second day I forgot. So that I want to change in personal and official. Means whatever I do good things, I want to continue another day also for months. So regularity and seeking possibility. Whatever I have, or I have to seek the possibility, and more giving, and doing yoga, meditation daily, and coming here in EMC early in the morning every day. This is much, sir. Thank you.
Great. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And everybody, look very carefully at all those actions that you do from morning till evening, right? And keep asking this question, what can I do differently? If I wish to be of service more in every situation that I am, yeah, I am already in service, by the way. All of you are, whether you realize it or not. So if you want to give the best service to your company, best service to your people, what new actions you can start to take, which you have not been taking till now. So let today be a day of reflecting on this and getting some action on it. All right. So have a wonderful day, and we'll see you tomorrow morning for another session of Empowering Morning Conversations. So remember who you are, a wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary human being who deserves to be loved and respected for who you are. Remember that. See you tomorrow. God bless you.
You too. Bye.
God bless.